Welcome back. Today, there's an exciting way to make money online that can be done right from your phone. This is all about making money with mobile photography. If you love taking pictures and want to turn that passion into extra cash, stick around for an easy and straightforward guide. First, let's talk about preparing your photos. A smartphone is perfect for this. Here are a few tips. Take high-quality photos. Ensure your pictures are clear and well lit. Natural light is the best. Avoid blurry images, steady your hand or use a tripod if you have one. Choose the best photos. Go through your gallery and select the most eye-catching images. Look for unique subjects that stand out. Edit sparingly. Feel free to make minor adjustments, but keep it natural. Buyers prefer unfiltered images. Now, let's dive into how to sell those photos, starting with Foap. Here's how to get started. Download the Foap app from the App Store. It's free. Create an account. Open the app, hit Sign Up, and fill in your details. You can also sign up using Google or Facebook. Upload your photos. After logging in, click the camera icon and select the photos you want to upload. Add details. Provide a catchy title and relevant tags. The more accurate your tags, the easier it is for buyers to find your images. Join missions. Foap often has challenges or missions. Participate to earn extra money and gain exposure. Submit and wait. Click Upload and wait for approval. When someone buys your photo, you earn 50% of the sale. Next up is Shutterstock, one of the biggest stock photo platforms. Here's how to get your photos uploaded. Sign up for a contributor account by visiting the Shutterstock contributor website and clicking Sign Up. Download the contributor app. This makes uploading easier. Log in with your new account. Upload your photos. Click the upload icon and select your best shots. Add keywords and a description. Give your photo a title and add relevant keywords. This is crucial for visibility. Submit your photo. Hit Submit and wait for approval. Once your photo is live, you can earn commissions on each download, which can range from 25 cents to $120. Now that the upload process is clear, let's discuss maximizing your earnings. Upload consistently. The more photos you have, the better your chances of selling. Follow trends. Keep an eye on what's popular in photography and try to capture that. Join challenges. Participate in photo challenges to boost your visibility. Promote your photos. Share your uploads on social media and use relevant hashtags to attract buyers. Finally, here's how to get paid. On Foap, you can withdraw your earnings once you hit $5. Go to the Earnings tab and select PayPal. For Shutterstock, you'll need at least $35 before you can withdraw. Go to the Earnings section and choose your payment method. And that's it. Simple, right? I hope this guide was helpful. Grab your phone, start taking stunning photos, and make some money. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips on making money online, and hit the notification bell. Comment below with any questions or if you want to share your mobile photography success stories. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.